Welcome to this demo of the newest release of the XL interface, or XLI for short. We continue to invest in the XLI non-stop, and in this release we've included a frequently requested major enhancement by almost all of our customers, which is the ability to update work plan data. With this new feature, customers can now update work plan data faster, with fewer potential errors, and with the ability to easily integrate it with other data sources, such as Excel spreadsheets. By now, we can proudly say the XLI supports all key PPM transactions performed by users, including updates to costs, resources, requests, and now work plans. So let's see this new capability in action. So I'll switch over to the XLI, which I already have open. I'm already logged in as a project manager. So down here we have the different tabs that the XLI exposes to update various PPM entities. So right now I'm on the staffing profile tab. And over here we have a new tab called the work plan that comes with this release. So I'll click on that. Different organizations use the work plan functionality differently, so we've made this new screen very configurable to allow for those different types of usage patterns. For the purposes of this demo, the work plan has been configured to manage milestone information only, but other work plan fields such as resource assignments can be added as well. So let me go ahead and begin my search by clicking on the magnifying glass. So you can see that we've set up some custom filters, including program, and a few other fields that are coming from the project request type. So in my results screen down here, I have all the projects that I can manage. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first two to download into the XLI. So the work plans have downloaded, and now I can update all this data as quickly as my fingers can move and use copy and paste and all the other Excel features that folks love. And unlike the core UI, I can update the work plan of multiple projects all at once. So let me go ahead and update the status of all the milestones in these two work plans from ready to be in progress. What I'll do is copy this line from my SAP upgrade project, click on the row and then click on yes, and for my new milestone I'll call it QA complete. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Save button to send all my updates across all my work plans back to PPM in real time. So I clicked on Save, and down in the lower left, it went by rather quickly, but you can actually see the status of the save down in that corner. As you were able to see, the XLI makes the tedious task of updating work plans so much easier. So let me conclude by summarizing all the features of the XLI. There's no end-user installation. To the user, it's simply an Excel file that you can simply download and use. It is capable of retrieving, creating, and updating individual or multiple PPM objects at once. And of course, the XL allows you to use Excel's native user interface capabilities, such as copy, paste, formulas, and all the features that customers love. It also allows you to create Excel-based reports that are accessible through the XLI environment. It is also capable of integrating with other data sources, such as other spreadsheets. The XLI also allows you to apply custom business rules, so for example, time normalization, custom rate cards, etc. to your PPM implementation. And of course, the PPM data integrity and security model are retained at all points. Thank you for watching this demo of the latest feature of XLI. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at info@ppmetrics.com, and be sure to visit us at our website, www.ppmetrics.com.